Hi all, it is finally a beautiful sunny day up here in northern Minnesota. It's like 45 degrees out and the chickens are hot. At 45 degrees in sun, it is 92 degrees in here. So I am making them a treat and I'm going to bring it out there to them. It's basically a homemade suet cake. So I just scraped the bacon grease off a pan I used to make bacon this morning. And I mix it with some of their chicken scratch. And sometimes I will go to the trouble and actually freeze it. But I'm not going to do that this time because I want to give it to him today. What? What are you doing up there? You can hear all of the snow melting. The very little bit of snow that was left on the roof is melting. We don't have a lot around, but we do have a little, and it's just really kind of slushy and slippery. All right. This has to be the first sunny day we've had in, gosh, it's been like a week and a half. This has to be the first time we've had enough sun in the during the day to actually warm up the greenhouse. So I'm actually going to leave that door and this door open so that we get a little cross breeze. I'll go open that window out there. Hi kids! Come on. Are you guys hot in here? We'll get it cooled down quick. I brought you a treat. Alright, look out. Some of that? I've been using the scratch this winter as kind of a snack I give them before bedtime. And I just keep it in this tote right here and I give them like half a scoop. I try to do it, you know, like an hour. I try to do it like an hour before the sun goes down, especially when it was those really cold nights. That isn't a very nice backdrop, is it? This is better. I try to give it to them, like I said, an hour before bedtime. The idea with the scratch is that they fill up their crops enough that their crop has to do a little work over the night hours, create a little warmth, a little heat for them. So when it was, you know, 30 below with the wind chill, it wasn't getting that cold in here, but it just made me feel better knowing there was a little added heat for them. So just from having the window open and the door open for a few minutes, now it's getting down to 90. This chicken decided to molt the middle of winter. There's a few of them actually that are missing their neck feathers. And I'm noticing one of the chickens, this one, right, the black and white one, the Americana, she's actually walking around plucking their neck feathers off. Has anybody else ever seen that before? She's doing it too. What does that mean? Why would she be doing that? And the chicken is letting her do it. I've looked for mites, I don't see anything. So if any of you know why that's happening, maybe you've experienced it before yourself, please comment below and let me know why that's happening. I got plenty of water. Hi. You know none of those are gonna hatch, right? I say that because we have no roosters. So I'm gonna bring these eggs in. Well, I really hope you guys are getting some sun where you are today too. It is really good to be able to stand out here in the sunshine. If you suffer from seasonal affective disorder, which I think I do, it really helps. It's amazing. I can stand out here. A lot of times I stand on our porch, but I can stand out there for 5 or 10 minutes and I don't know, everything just seems better. Chickens in greenhouses don't hurt either. If you like this video, we hope you'll subscribe and we'll catch you next time. Why are you picking at my shirt? Huh?